En este vídeo vamos a ver cómo describir el pelo en inglés. Hablaremos de color, forma, longitud y aprenderemos un vocabulario muy útil relacionado con él. Todo explicado en inglés con ejemplos sencillos. Definition of hair. Hair refers to the thin thread-like strands growing from the skin of humans or animals. It can mean the hair on your head, body, or the fur of animals. Hair on the head. She has long, shiny black hair. Body hair? He has a lot of hair on his arms. Animal hair or fur. The dog's hair is all over the sofa. What's the difference between hair and fur? Hair refers to the strands that grow on the human body, especially on the head, but it can also refer to animal hair. Fur, on the other hand, is the thick, soft hair that covers the bodies of many animals. Examples: hair, humans, or general. She has long, beautiful hair. Hair, animals, less common. A horse has coarse hair on its mane. Fur, animals. The puppy's fur is so fluffy. Fur, clothing. He was wearing a fur coat. When we describe someone's hair, we often talk about the color, length, and texture. Here are the most common and useful adjectives to do so. Blonde, light yellow hair color. She's a natural blonde with long hair. Blonde is also correct for men, e.g., a blonde boy, especially in American English. Brunette, a person with dark brown or black hair, mostly used for women. The brunette in the red dress caught everyone's attention. Brown-haired, having brown hair. My sister is brown-haired and has green eyes. Black-haired, having black hair. He's tall, black-haired, and very quiet. Redhead, a person with naturally red or ginger hair. She's a redhead with freckles. Es pelirroja y tiene pecas. Ginger is also common in British English. Gray-haired, having gray or white hair. The professor was gray-haired and wore glasses. To have gray hair. To have hair that has turned gray due to age or stress. He started to have gray hair in his early 30s. Bald, having no hair on the head. He started going bald in his 40s. Short hair, hair that does not go past the ears or neck. He prefers women with short hair. Long hair, hair that goes past the shoulders. She's always had long, straight hair. Straight hair, hair with no curls or waves. My hair is naturally straight. Wavy hair, hair that forms loose curls or waves. Her wavy hair shines in the sun. Su pelo ondulado brilla al sol. Curly hair, hair that forms tight curls or spirals. He's got really curly hair like his dad. Frizzy hair, hair that is very curly, dry, and difficult to control. My hair gets frizzy when it's humid. Mi pelo se encrespa cuando hay humedad. Common when talking about hair texture problems. When we talk about hair, there are many related words and expressions that we use in everyday life. Let's take a look at some of the most common ones. Hairbrush, a tool with bristles used to smooth or style hair. She grabbed her hairbrush and fixed her hair before leaving. Haircut, the style or act of cutting someone's hair. I love your new haircut. It really suits you. Very common word when talking about hairstyling or visiting the hairdresser. Hairdresser, a person whose job is to cut or style hair. My hairdresser always knows what style looks best on me. Hairdressers, the place where a hairdresser works. I have an appointment at the hairdresser's at 4 p.m. In British English, we often say, at the hairdresser's. In American English, hair salon is more common. Hairdryer, an electrical device used to dry hair with hot air. She used a hairdryer to dry her hair quickly. Hair-raising, extremely scary or exciting, often used to describe thrilling experiences. It was a hair-raising ride on that roller coaster. Figurative, not literal, used in emotional or suspenseful contexts. Fue un viaje espeluznante en esa montaña rusa. Hairstyle, the way in which someone's hair is cut and arranged. He changed his hairstyle for the wedding. Hairy, covered with a lot of hair. He's got very hairy arms. Hairy, difficult or dangerous, informal. We had a hairy moment when the car skidded on the ice. Tuvimos un momento de tensión cuando el coche patinó sobre el hielo. Now you've got the words to talk about hair like a native. See you in the next video.